Okay, we're coming to the completion of this uh, water pump crossover. Had 8 boats, put it back together, and 2 down there. You can see it there. It's two of them down there. Let's see. Yeah, there they are. 2 there. 1 there. 1 here. Back there. And 1 there. And 2 way down in there. Way down. So that's a total of 8. Okay. Now, I changed the starter. I hate to go back in this again. I said I wasn't, but I changed my mind. Talked to my guy Chino. He said change it, so okay, I changed it. Okay, now I'm getting ready to put the intake manifold on, which is down here, and I'll get back with you when I get this all done. Throttle body there. Okay, and we have the other components to this breathing. Okay, all right.